What's going on, guys? This is me Mehdi Shakil and you are watching SSTec tutorial. So guys, in today's video I'm going to show you that how you can access your home router from all over the world or from outside of your network. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So guys, first of all, what I'm going to do, I'm going to open up my browser. Then I'm going to visit the admin panel of my router. For this video, I'm using the tplink Archer C80 router. So my default gateway of my router is 192.168.0.1. So guys, this is my router admin panel, and here you can see I'm using tplink Archer C80 router. Now from here, click on Advanced, then go to System, then click on Administration, and here you'll get an option called Remote Management. We have to enable this option to access and manage this Wi-Fi router over the internet. So click on Remote Management, set port number for your HTTP and HTTPS connections, and here you will get the address to manage your router from over the WAN. So copy this address from here, then click on Save. Now guys, here you can see my mobile phone screen, and if I show you my network that I am not connected with the Wi-Fi, I am using the mobile data. Now let's try to access our router admin panel using our mobile data. So for this, I'm gonna open up my browser. Then on the search bar, I'm gonna type the web address and the port number. In my case, HTTPS, then my IP address, then I have to type the port number. I'm gonna use HTTPS. For this, here I will type 443. Then go to that IP address. And guys, here you can see on my mobile phone screen, I got the admin panel login of my router. Now let's use the password to log in to my router admin panel from over the internet. Then tap on login. So guys, now you can see we are logged into our router. Now using our mobile phone from over the WAN, we can control and access our Wi-Fi router and manage it. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.